firstly start your job shipping business. You need to conduct the market research and identify the product niche you are interested in. Understanding market demand and target audience and competitors is crucial. You can gather information through search engines, social media, industry reports, and professional forums. Make sure the products you choose have sufficient demand and profit margins to support your business. After conducting market research, you need to choose a suitable e-commerce platform. Different platforms have different features and functionalities, so you can choose the most suitable platform based on your needs. For example, Shopify is a powerful and user-friendly platform, while WooCommerce is an open-source e-commerce plugin based on WordPress offering greater flexibility and customization. Once you've selected a platform, the next step is to fund the suppliers and add products to your store. You can find the suppliers through online marketplaces like AliExpress or by directly contacting manufacturers. Ensure you choose reliable suppliers and select high-quality competitive products when adding products. Pay attention to product descriptions and images to ensure they are appealing to customers. After adding products, you need to set prices and shipping fees. This requires considering your costs, market competition, and target profit margins. Ensure pricing is reasonable and consider the impact of shipping fees on purchasing decisions. Configure shipping settings including domestic and international shipping fees to meet the needs of customers in different regions. Next, set up payment methods to make it convenient for customers to purchase your products. Most e-commerce platforms support multiple payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, etc. Additionally, you can set up automated email marketing such as welcome emails and abandoned cart reminders to increase customer retention and sales conversion rates. Finally, to successfully operate a dropshipping store, you need to invest time and effort in promoting your store and regularly updating and maintaining it. Use social media, content marketing, search engine optimization, and other methods to promote your store and attract more traffic and potential customers. Regularly update products, optimize your website, and maintain good communication with customers to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Through these steps, you can build a successful dropshipping store and gradually expand your business. Remember, success takes time and effort, but as long as you stay focused and continue learning, you will succeed.